Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blending the overlay in CapCut. Suppose you're just going to add your videos or photos you like to edit, and you can select the overlay. So I'm just going to put this CapCut logo, and to blend the overlay, select basic. Scroll down until you find a blend option, just turn on it and select mode of plane and select overlay. Can adjust for opacity, just brighten or screen darken. The overlay and just photo. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.